Hi friends, welcome back to another video. I'm Tiffany and I make videos about skincare, makeup, and motherhood. So I am finally sitting down to film another video. For some reason life has been so hectic. I'm just gonna sit down, do a video. I'm really excited and I'm just realizing that I don't have the palette in here. Okay, so I have the palette. I am going to be doing a tutorial on the Tati Beauty palette, and I've had this for a couple weeks now, and I have been trying out all sorts of different looks and just playing, having fun. I am super into this palette. I think Tati's made it really easy for people of all difficulty types, whether you're brand new to makeup or if you've been doing it for a while. I think you can kind of come up with something really fun, and she sets it up in a really easy way to create looks that go together. Thank you so much for being here. Please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. So Oliver's just woken up from his nap and he's not feeling so good, but I'm gonna go ahead and is it okay if I do some makeup? Can I do some makeup? Yeah? Can you say hi? Oh. Okay, Mama's gonna do some makeup and you can go play, okay? Yeah? Okay, you can go play. Here is the finished look using the Tati Beauty palette. I used every shade from the Poet side. So I used the matte, the sequin, the metallic, and the glitter, and plus a few extras over here too to deepen up the look and add some dimension. I am super happy with these shadows. I think I was a little bit rushed today, obviously, but I think it turned out really, really well. And I may be a tiny bit biased because it's Tati and I love Tati, but at the same time, she holds herself to higher standards and she's really picky about makeup. And I think that she hit it out of the park with this palette. She has hinted at some new palettes coming the early parts of next year. So I think beginning of 2020, she's gonna have some new stuff coming out. And I'm really excited to see what else she has going on because I'm super happy with this eyeshadow palette. You can do neutral looks, you can do bright looks, you can do smoky, fun. Oh. Anyway, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and don't forget to subscribe and let me know what other videos you want to see. I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Say bye-bye! Should I do a toddler does my makeup? Would you like to do that, Oliver? That could be really cool.